Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Today is another, it's a grocery haul, Walmart haul, and I know that I have a choice few of you that really enjoy these videos, so I'm just going to quickly show you what I bought. We had our Thanksgiving, and today it felt so good. Got up early, caught the bus. We had breakfast at McDonald's. It's starting to be our Thursday regular. And I'm really enjoying it. It is so nice to get out, sit, and have a cup of coffee, leisurely walk through the store and purchase your items with my love. My husband, by the way, guys. His name is Ronnie. So I'm going to share with you guys what I purchased today. And hopefully you enjoy seeing what I bought. So the first thing I got was movie theater Axe popcorn. Never can have enough of this. Ronnie loves it. Got scalloped potatoes, 2 boxes of that. Bought myself some Excedrin migraine. This stuff really does work for me, and I know that it has not exactly raving reviews by a lot of people, but I have talked to my doctor and she says it's okay for me to take this. I have got 2 things of chicken rice, bananas. Bought a thing of salsa. This is the hot. We love stuff hot and spicy. Tostitos. This is the queso blanco dip. Very good. Got a small thing of white vinegar. These are my favorite with lime. These are my absolute favorite. My son Lucas got me loving these. So if I see them, I buy them. If I don't actually make a trip through the store to find those because I love those a little too much. I bought 2 cans of the seasoned spinach. If you guys have watched me, this is one of my favorites. Absolutely love that. This is the popcorn that I like. And Ronnie will eat it, but it's not his favorite. But I like the kettle corn. So I got me some popcorn as well to have with him when we watch movies in the evening and stuff. Because I feel like popcorn is one of those things that you can eat that's not real fattening. So trying to cut back a little bit. We've got some sticks. These are chips. Another one. And a third one. I like these because you don't have to worry about the bags and they just seal right up. I bought myself some Jolly Rancher gummies. I was going to buy those last time and I didn't, and I thought about them ever since. I bought these not necessarily to eat, but to make some of those peanut butter blossoms cookies. I haven't made them in a while, and with what they are saying is a shortage of things, a possibility of a shortage of things, I went ahead and just snagged me a bag, and I'm going to put these up for more probably towards, December. A huge thing of pepperoncinis. We eat these things like crazy, so these are so good. Wait a minute. I think, that's right. Okay. It's a different brand than I usually get, but this jar itself is under $5, so you really cannot go bad on that one. 2 things of household bleach. And mind you, I got on the bus with this. It is no wonder I have a heel spur and a bad back. Okay, so I got some mushrooms. A giant bag of sugar because I already opened the one that I have, and I just went and opted for the bigger bag since holidays are coming, and you know how I like to bake. So just went ahead and bought that. I dipped into my supply of condensed sweet milk, so I just got one of those. Here's my second seasoned greens. I've got my mushroom sauce here, hot dog buns. Underneath there, you can see I've got some flour tortillas. I got my Greek yogurt, which I absolutely love. I've got some extra crispy. I was able to find these. These are the fast food. These are the ones I rave about. You guys see in my videos, I got 2 of those. They did not have any last Thursday. In fact, they were completely out of French fries, period, except for crinkle fries. Today, they were completely out. The entire cracker shelf was empty. There was not one single box of crackers or oyster crackers or Cheez-Its or any of that. So anyhow, that is that. We got some white bread. for sandwiches. And you'll see why I say sandwiches, because I bought sandwich meat as well as Kraft singles. And I bought this last week, and we ate through it so quickly. It is so delicious with just cheese and mayonnaise. It was so, so good. So I bought 2 this time, and it's not real expensive, which is a win-win. Cottage cheese, which is a usual buy for my family because Ronnie absolutely loves cottage cheese. Got a scrub brush for the upstairs bathtub. Oh, a thing of Dawn soap. That is actually not for me. That's for my father-in-law. I forgot to give that to him. Hopefully he's still on my porch. Listerine. 2 salad kits. We love these salad kits. Bought some hot sausages. Some hamburger meat. And in underneath is chicken legs. I bought a really cute Christmas pillow. It was $5. I just thought it was so cute. I'm going to put it in here in my living room. And let's see, what else did I get that's hiding back here in the back? I got these Christmas cakes because I love these. And I got a new set of curtains. These are the Eclipse blackout curtains. And they are cream colored, so they will go with my rest of my curtains downstairs here. And they are going to go actually right there. I can see into my neighbor's house through this window, and you can see this is really sheer, so I needed something to cover. All this wallpaper is coming down, but I wanted to go ahead and get the curtains anyways. So that is all that I purchased. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are new, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you part of Kiddos Corral. I hope you have a fabulous week wherever you are and whatever you are doing. And I will be seeing you a lot for the holidays, and I'm looking forward to bringing you content. I hope you all have a blessed day, guys, and I'll be talking to you all again soon. Bye, guys.